From the deepest darkness rises the power that moves humanity.
Our planet Earth is alive with energy, powering every moment of human existence.
Invisible energy networks connect nations, industries, and people across the globe. From brightly lit cities to quiet homes, energy keeps the modern world alive. Every journey we take depends on powerful energy sources. Industries, factories, and power plants rely on energy to fuel economic growth.
Among all energy sources, oil and natural gas play a central role in our world.
But this vital energy lies hidden deep beneath the Earth's surface. This is the story of oil and gas, from deep underground to everyday life. The search for oil and gas begins on the Earth's surface, where geologists study the land for hidden clues. Rock and soil samples reveal valuable information about the Earth's underground structure.
These findings are transformed into detailed geological maps that guide exploration efforts.
Satellites and aerial surveys allow scientists to analyze vast areas with precision. To see deep underground, exploration teams use seismic surveys. Powerful sound waves are sent into the ground, bouncing off rock layers below. The returning signals are processed into detailed 3D images of the subsurface.
After careful analysis, the most promising drilling locations are selected.
Before drilling begins, the land is carefully prepared to support massive industrial operations. Thousands of tons of equipment are transported to the site, piece by piece.
The drilling rig is assembled, forming the heart of the entire operation.
With everything in place, drilling begins. In lock, cutting deep into the Earth's surface. Special drilling fluid, known as mud, cools the drill bit and stabilizes the well.
Steel casing is installed to protect the well and prevent collapse.
Cement is pumped into place, sealing the well and isolating it from surrounding rock layers. Advanced safety systems, including blowout preventers, protect against uncontrolled pressure releases. Deep beneath the surface, oil and gas are trapped inside porous rock formations, forming orbits. These reservoirs contain natural pressure that helps push oil and gas toward the surface. In some wells, this pressure is strong enough to allow oil and gas to flow naturally. At the surface, wellhead systems regulate and control the flow of production. As natural pressure declines, mechanical pumps are used to lift oil to the surface. Water injection helps maintain reservoir pressure and increase oil recovery. Gas injection further enhances production by forcing oil out of tight rock spaces. Once extraction begins, production can continue for decades under constant monitoring. Once extracted, oil, gas, and water arrive together as a single mixed stream.
This mixture is sent into separator vessels designed to split each component.
Because gas is lighter, it naturally rises and separates first. Oil floats above water, allowing the two liquids to separate into distinct layers. The separated oil is collected, and sent for storage or further processing. The separated gas is routed toward processing systems for cleaning and compression.
The remaining water is treated to remove contaminants before reuse or disposal.
Strict environmental controls ensure that separation processes remain safe and sustainable. After separation, raw natural gas is transported to processing facilities for purification. The gas is first cooled, allowing heavier hydrocarbons and liquids to condense. The filters remove dust and solid particles carried with the gas.
Toxic gases like hydrogen sulfide are removed to make the gas safe and clean.
Moisture is removed to prevent corrosion and freezing inside pipelines. The purified gas is compressed to the pressure required for transportation.
Continuous testing ensures the gas meets strict quality and safety standards.
Once processed, natural gas is ready to be delivered to homes, industries, and power plants. Crude oil arrives at refineries, where it will be transformed into valuable fuels and products.
Before refining begins, crude oil is cleaned to remove salts, water, and impurities. The cleaned crude oil is heated to extremely high temperatures inside massive furnaces. Inside the distillation column, oil separates into different fuels based on boiling points. Lighter products, such as LPG and gasoline, rise to the top and are collected. Heavier fuels like diesel and kerosene are drawn from lower levels. The heaviest residues undergo further processing to maximize fuel production. Finally, fuels are blended and tested to meet performance and safety standards.
After refining, fuels are stored in massive tank farms designed to hold millions of barrels safely. Floating roof tanks reduce evaporation and improve safety. Natural gas is stored in pressurized vessels designed to withstand extreme conditions. Advanced temperature control systems maintain fuel stability. Continuous monitoring detects leaks before they become dangerous.
Fire prevention systems protect storage facilities from accidents.
Precise inventory control ensures consistent supply and quality. Through strict controls, energy products remain safe until distribution begins. Pipelines form the backbone of global oil and gas transportation.
Pumping and compression stations keep oil and gas moving over long distances.
Advanced monitoring systems ensure safe and uninterrupted transport.
Where pipelines are unavailable, tanker trucks deliver fuel by road. Rail transport moves large volumes of fuel efficiently across regions.
Ports serve as critical hubs for international energy transport.
Tanker ships carry oil and gas across continents and oceans.
Together, these systems deliver energy to every corner of the world.
From major terminals, fuel moves to regional distribution depots. Fuel is then delivered to service stations across cities and towns.
At the pump, oil becomes mobility to cations, powering millions of vehicles every day. Natural gas flows directly into homes, providing heat and cooking energy. Power plants use oil and gas to generate electricity for entire regions. The industries rely on oil and gas to produce essential goods. Aviation and maritime transport depend on refined fuels to operate globally. Everyday life runs on the energy delivered through this vast global system.
Safety begins with protecting the people who operate these complex systems.
Regular training ensures workers are prepared for every possible situation.
Advanced fire prevention systems reduce the risk of accidents. Sensitive detection systems identify gas leaks before they become dangerous. Modern facilities use pollution control technologies to limit environmental impact. Waste and water are carefully treated to protect surrounding ecosystems. Emergency response teams stand ready to act when incidents occur. Continuous monitoring ensures compliance with environmental regulations. From deep underground to everyday life, oil and gas travel a long and complex journey. Behind every unit of energy stands the dedication of countless skilled professionals. Oil and gas power global economies and modern civilization. With great power comes great responsibility.
The future of energy is evolving toward cleaner and more sustainable solutions.
Traditional and renewable energy sources will coexist during the global transition. Transition will shape how energy is produced and used in the decades ahead. This is the story of energy. Tantiri, past, present, and future.